What's up, guys? Derek Johnson from the Freedom Factory here. Today, I'm going to be talking about Genius Messenger CRM, the new updates, roadmap, and features. So be sure to check this out. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe, smash that bell to be notified of future videos, and let's jump right in. So as you know, I've been teaching people how to turn their messenger into an organized sales machine using Genius Messenger CRM and Friend Connector. So we have new updates coming to both of these tools, which are going to be amazing. We actually just released a new update for Genius Messenger CRM that already improves my efficiency. So I hope you're ready to stay tuned. Let's jump right into the new features, and then we'll talk about the roadmap coming up. Feature number 1, let's talk about the Export CSV button. So this is an amazing tool. All you have to do is hit this button here, and it's instantly going to export all of your contacts from Genius Messenger CRM to this CSV file. So I'm obviously going to hide some of the data in here, but I'll show you guys how this works. It's pretty amazing, and you will want to get this set up. Alright guys, here's that CSV file. I hid the data so you couldn't see, but basically it gives you 4 columns right now. You get the Facebook ID, you get the Facebook profile link, which this will open directly to their profile, which is amazing. You get their name and also the label they were in. So this is powerful for a few reasons. First off, it helps back up all of your contacts and gives you a way to quickly message them in the future. So if I wanted to open up this contact, I would just copy it and paste it into my URL. Alternatively, you could turn these all into links on your CSV file and just make them clickable. That is going to add some size to the file itself, so that's the drawback of doing that. But what's really amazing is the label. So you can sort this, filter this however you want. Say you only want to show hot leads, right? Boom, there they are. Now they're all nicely sorted by hot lead tag. Or if you only want to see your customers, there's those customers there. And in the future, this is one of the updates we have coming, we're going to be able to capture email and phone number. So is that not amazing? I think it is. So you be the judge of that one. Let's jump into feature number 2. So feature number 2, we added a backup and import backup function. So right now this works for your account only. It doesn't share between accounts. That's coming. You're going to love that one as well. But right now you can hit this backup. It's going to download a JSON file. Say you're working away on your desktop computer, and then you jump over to your laptop. Once you log into the extension, it's going to be blank, right? But now you can send this backup file over and use this import button, and it's basically a manual sync. It also backs up your account in case anything ever happens to it. So you'll have that backup file. You can quickly load it and get back to where you were. So feature number 3, let's jump to the friends list. And you can see we added these quick message, add note, and notification buttons. So this was available before in this menu when you drill down into your lead tags. But basically we added the functionality to the friends page as well. So if you're looking for someone specifically, say I wanted to find my chatbot, I can quickly do this search and jump right into that conversation. So that feature is amazing. Let's do feature number 4, right? So inside Genius Messenger CRM, now we have a quick notes tab. So before, when you wanted to add a note, you'd have to drill down and go into here and click add note, which was still useful. But we've just improved the speed and user friendliness of this feature. So instead of going outside of Messenger, now we've made it where you can do it right from Messenger. So hopefully that one is a game changer for you. It saves me a bunch of time and keeps me organized. I know anytime I need to leave a note for someone, it's just as easy as popping up this little G icon. And if I need to delete the note or edit the note, I can do that right there as well. So same thing for canned responses. We made this super easy to actually add additional canned responses and categories. So this is a brand new category I added just from typing it in right here. I can drill down and add a new message. Just like that. And now it's available as a canned response. So I could just send it. And it populates down here in Messenger. Alternatively, say you are just having a normal conversation and you're like, man, that's good. I'd like to save that for the future. You can grab that right here and drill down into which category you want to add a new message. Copy and paste it. Hit add, and now it's saved for the future. So remember, text, emojis, and images all available to be added as a canned response to help you get up and running quickly. So those are the main 4 new features in Genius Messenger CRM. Now the upcoming features we have on the roadmap are calendar syncing. So we're adding some webhooks for the notifications. If you want to schedule a follow-up notification, currently you can do that, and it's just going to be a browser pop-up. So you put a subject, email, and message. The message will display up here in your browser for that time that you select. What we have coming is webhooks. So you can use this as a trigger and use a zap to send this data to any calendar app that you want. And then after that, we'll have direct calendar integrations as well. But we wanted to do webhooks first, so that will help everyone at the same time. You can use a free Zapier plan to do this. It's just a 2-step zap. So you get 100 free zaps on the free plan. If you're already using Zapier, you already know the business. It's just very simple to create a trigger, then an action, which would be scheduling that follow-up. So hopefully you guys appreciate that. I love that feature coming up. Another one we have coming very soon will be canned pipelines, right? So done for you pipelines. It's based off the backup and import backup functionality, but basically we'll have a version with templates. So instead of having to create your own, you'll be able to jump in, download someone else's using this import backup, and all their messages and labels, their entire system will already be set up for you, and you'll just have to go start filling it up and using it. So that's going to be awesome. I'll probably be creating some useful stuff for you guys once that feature's unlocked, so be on the lookout for that. That being said, that's about what I wanted to cover today. If you guys have any questions, concerns, or comments, appreciate you leaving a comment below, and I'll be sure to respond to those. If you want to try this for 7 days free, I'll leave a link to that as well. Remember, you can sign up at the link below and test this out. If you have any issues, feel free to reach out. We are still technically in beta, even though we're in version 2, since we just released the new features. So there might be a couple bugs, but usually once you get them worked out, it's all good to go. So I highly recommend checking out the bundle plan. It's going to give you Genius Messenger CRM as well as Friend Connector, which will do your automated prospecting for you. And you can get both of these 7 days free and then just $47 per month. So with that being said, I'll see you on the next video. If you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe, smash that bell to be notified of future videos.